Hello everyone, welcome to day 66 of a Stitch a Day 365 Days Crochet Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you the interlaced bobble stitch. Yes, it's just like the bobble stitch, but I'm going to show you how to position the bobble stitch depending on the pattern that you want. Once you understand that, you'll be able to create patterns like these using the bobble stitch or the puff stitch. Okay, so now let's get right into the video. So here each bobble stitch requires 3 stitches. So we are going to do a multiple of 3. Okay. I'm going to start by making a row of single crochet foundation chains. Which is also a multiple of 3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. So here I have a foundation row with a multiple of 3. Now it's time for me to place the bobble stitches. So I'm starting off with 2 single crochets. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Into the third one, I'm placing the bobble stitch. A bobble stitch is done by crocheting 5 incomplete double crochets. Yesterday's video was on aligned bobble stitch. You can check it out in the playlist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you have all 5 stitches, you complete the incomplete double crochet stitch and then make a single crochet onto the next one. This is what creates the bobble stitch. Now again, I'm going to crochet 1 more single crochet, and into the third one, I'm placing my bobble stitch. Again, 2 single crochets into the next one, and the next one we are again making the bobble stitch. Again, our stitch ends with 2 single crochet stitches. Okay. Now the next row, in a normal bobble stitch, you'll be crocheting a row of single crochet, but here we are going to do a row of double crochet stitches just to space it out. So I'm starting off with a chain 3. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, the next one is 2 double crochet, and I have to find the bobble stitch, and into the V I'm making my next double crochet stitch. Okay, so into each stitch you'll have to make 1 double crochet stitch. So this will bring us back to the other side of the bobble stitch, where we'll be placing the stitches interlaced or in any pattern that you want. You can choose to do a half double crochet, or you can also do a row of single crochet stitches. Now again I'm going to start the bobble stitch. This time I'm going to start off by making single crochet stitches till I reach the middle stitch here. That is, in between the 2 bobbles there are 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Till I reach this stitch I'm going to make single crochet stitches. Okay, so that is, I have 4 stitches here, and into this one I'll be making my bobble stitch. As you can see, this bobble stitch is right in the middle of the previous row's bobble stitch. Again, you crochet single crochet stitches till you reach the middle of this stitch, that is right here. So we do 2 single crochets, and into the next one we are going to make the bobble stitch. So this way you can decide where you want to place the stitches, and then you can create any pattern that you want. Okay. Now the next row will be aligning the stitches to the first row of bobble stitches, creating the interlaced pattern. Okay. So do try this out, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.